Today, this chapter takes a look at creating menus in Visual Studio applications. How to create and manage menus and submenus and how to create context menus. So what is a menus? Menus. Menus are part of every good application and provide not only an easy way to navigate within the application, but also useful for working with that application. Take for example Visual Studio. It provides menus for navigating the various windows, that is display useful tools for making a job of development easier through menus and context menus for cutting, copying and pasting the code. So context menus, also called pop-up menus, it also provide menu items for searching through code. So what is an understanding menu features is nothing but the menu step control in Visual Studio provides several key features. First of all, you have to quick to easy way add menus and menu items and sub menu items to your applications. It's also provide built-in editor that enables you to add and delete and edit in menu items at top of the hat. So the menu items create many contain images and also access keys, shortcut keys and check marks as well as text labels. So what is a images access key, shortcut key and check marks? One by one can view it. First of all, images. So nearly everyone has a familiar with the images on every applications, for example Microsoft Outlook or Visual Studio or anything else. But earlier version of Visual Basic, developers were unable to create menu items with images without doing some custom programming or purchasing third party controls. So Visual Basic has come a long way and now provide the image property for toolbox. That means a Visual Studio .NET framework that makes adding an image to your menu item for display the clearly. So the images property have to use the property window or else you have to use the toolbox or toolbar options. The next is an access key. So what is an access key? Access key is also known as an accelerator key that enables you have to navigate with the menu using Alt key and a letter that is underline the menu item. For example, in property, in the right side, you have to option choose the text. You have to put in front of the symbol is an ampersand symbol. So you have to Alt key have to underline the menu items in which key access key pressed. The menu appear on the screen and user can navigate through the using arrow keys or the mouse. So you have to use the user navigation concept. What is an user navigation? You have to use the four-way, for example graphical user interface for Windows or Mac OS, and next is a command line interface. You have to use the command prompt or terminals, and next one is a voice user navigation. Voice user navigation, for example you have to daily way use an Alexa and Siri, and last one is a touch user interface. You have to use smartphones, tablet or etc. The next is a shortcut key. What is in shortcut key? Shortcut key is nothing but you have to enable you to invoke and menu items without displaying the menus at all the time. So shortcut keys usually consist of control key and a letter. For example, control X cut the text, control plus S save the file, and control plus D save the document, etc. Next one is a check marks. What is a check mark? Check mark is nothing but as a tick symbol. It is placed next to menu item of an image, typically to indicate with the menu items being used. For example, if you click the view menu in Visual Studio and select the toolbar menu items, you see submenu that has many other submenu items, but some of the which have to check marks. The check marks means it's a tick symbol. So the submenu items have to check marks indicate toolbars that are currently displayed. So only currently display the screen only have to tick mark for the some tools. Okay, for what is a mensed plus the separator is a raised provide a logical separation between the group of menu items. You have to see first thing you notice the menu strip control is provide menus to add another menu and menu item or sub menu item quickly. Each item you add in of this one blank another text area is added. So when the project being run, how to menu look is a design mode. Some of the diagram have to show the next slide. See, first slide, you have to menu demo is a form name is an menu demo, and the file edit view tools help as an menus and toolbars, and you have to use the arrow mark keys. You have to menu item called, and next you have to use the shortcut key, that means control plus M in the screen mode, that is the tick is the main, that means main window have to open displayed. So you have to use the current shortcut key is a control plus M, and next kilo borrow the formatting is a submenu items, and the main you have to left side have to tick symbol, that means called check marks, and file edit view menus in first letter, that means alt key and letter is underline the menu item, so that is called accelerator key, that means access key. The next slide we have to run the main running demo menu demo screen form load screen, that means show the menu way to looks when the project being run. So how to menu like a design mode, that is the design of this slide. So file edit view tools help, the first letter is underline the menu items, next the toolbars T has the underline the access key, next they have to main underline plus shortcut keys, and formatting as a sub menu, and the tick mark is a check marks concept. Okay, this is the how to menu future, understanding the main concept of menu in good application in Visual Studio. The next is a property window. So already have to know the access key, the right property window. How to property window use is display available properties that can be set for menu being editor or something else. So toolbar menu items in selective text you have to use T in front of the ampersand symbol. So access key have to automatically underline the T symbol. You can use the O, so T after that ampersand symbol, and OOLBARS toolbar. So underline the O, first letter of O. You have to stick with the standard format and menu. See the window application today. So the text display on the items or menu items. Thank you.